Rocket Money versus Mint, best app for tracking spending. Hey everyone, are you trying to get better with money but can't decide between Rocket Money and Mint? Both are powerful personal finance apps designed to help you track your spending, monitor your subscription, and stay on top of your budget. But they take very different approaches. In today's video, we'll break down these two applications side by side, their features, strengths, weaknesses, and which one is ultimately the better choice or the better fit for your lifestyle. Stick around, especially if you're serious about taking control of your finances today. So all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, the first thing that I want to talk about is what are Rocket Money and Mint? Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, is a financial application focused on helping you cut wasteful spending. It specializes in subscription management, tracking your bill, and even negotiating your monthly payments on your behalf. Yes, you've heard that right. They will try to go ahead and negotiate your bill and see if it gets lower. Now, Mint is created by Intuit, the company behind TurboTax. It is a long-time player in the budgeting space. It's all about helping you understand where your money goes, set up monthly budgets, and track your credit score. Now, you all have this in one dashboard. In short, Rocket Money is for control and automation, and Mint is for traditional budgeting with insights. From there, let's go ahead and discuss the user interface and experience. Rocket Money has a modern, polished interface. It feels intuitive and is designed for ease. You get clear visuals for expenses, subscriptions, and savings. Mint is a bit more data heavy, showing you a lot of information upfront. It's ideal for people who want full transparency, but it may feel overwhelming for some beginners. Rocket Money wins in aesthetic and simplicity. Mint wins for data lovers. From there, of course, let's also talk about the budgeting tools that each platform offers. Now, Mint allows detailed budget category creation, setting limits, and seeing how you're pacing month to month. It's manual but powerful. Rocket Money provides simple budgeting features, but the main focus is on high-level cash flow and smart spending alerts. If you want hands-on budgeting, Mint is better, but if you want passive insights and automation, Rocket Money excels. From there, let's talk about the subscription management and bill negotiation. Now, I've previously mentioned this, so let's go ahead and talk about it more. Here's where Rocket Money shines. It automatically detects subscription you may have forgotten about, some alerts of your price changes, and can cancel them out for you. It even negotiates bills like your cable or phone to get you better rates. Mint, on the other hand, doesn't offer bill negotiation or subscription canceling. It only tracks recurring transaction, or sometimes you even have to put it manually. So if you're prone to subscription creep, Rocket Money is a lifesaver. If you have a lot of subscription like Netflix, Disney Plus, Spotify, YouTube Premium, I think Rocket Money will go ahead and benefit you better. From there, we then have the financial tracking and reports. Mint gives you granular reports from your spending trends, net worth over time, to debt tracking. It's extremely detailed and useful for financial planning. Now, Rocket Money provides solid visual but focuses more on real-time balance tracking and spending alerts rather than in-depth reporting. Mint is better for people who want to dig deep. Rocket Money is better for those who want the highlights delivered daily. Now, we also have the pricing and plans. Mint has been free for years. It's supported by ads, but as of 2024, it's no longer available, with Intuit sunsetting it and encouraging users to migrate to Credit Karma. Now, Rocket Money has a free version, but the key features is like the bill negotiation, smart saving, and advanced insights that are behind a premium plan that ranges from $3 to $12 a month. You choose how much you pay, and you will go ahead and get premium features depending on your payment. So while Rocket Money isn't 100% free, it continues to provide active support for managing your finances, unlike Mint. From there, let's talk about the extra features and integration. Basically, Mint used to offer credit score monitoring, you have goal tracking, and bill reminders. While Rocket Money offers smart saving accounts, it auto saves towards your goal, you have real-time notification, and the credit score tracking. Now, the smart saving account, basically, they will try to go ahead and take a percentage of your money. It's like 1%, and they will try to put it in the saving account. So, in case of emergency, you then have that smart savings. Since Myth is discontinued, its features have been primarily moved to Credit Karma, but Rocket Money now offers a more cohesive and active experience. And so, which platform is best for which users? You want to choose Rocket Money if you want to eliminate useless subscription, if you prefer automation over manual budgeting, if you like sleek, simple dashboards, and lastly, if you're willing to pay extra for support. Now you want to choose Mint if you're still using it or switching to Credit Karma if you want deep manual control over every dollar, if you don't mind a little complexity, and lastly, if you're budget savvy and love detailed reports. Now, Rocket Money is now stronger, more relevant choice for active money management. As I've mentioned, Rocket Money offers more features like your subscription, some spending insights, bill negotiation, your net worth, financial goals, which will save you money without even thinking about it. You can go ahead and review your credit score. You have budgeting, and lastly, widgets. While Mint right here only shows you the entire data that you have. So, which one is which, or what is the final verdict? If you're still hanging on to Mint, it's time to move on. With Mint gone, Rocket Money has stepped up to offer a streamlined, subscription smart budgeting assistant that actually takes action, not just shows you numbers. It's the best choice if you want a modern application that actually helps you save money. Now, let us know in the comments. Are you switching from Mint, or is Rocket Money already your go-to? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more personal finance and app breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and remember, better money habits start with better tools. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video.